Hi everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 40. So, ready? Start. It may be mentioned that a writ petition under Article 32 of the Constitution was filed by a member of Central Administrative Tribunal contending that the decision in S.P. Kumar versus Union of India and others 1987 SCC 124 equated the Central Administrative Tribunal with the High Court and therefore its chairman should be equated with the Chief Justice of High Court and the Vice Chairman and members must be equated with the sitting judge of the High Court in all respect. It was also contended that while the vice chairman have been equated with sitting judge of the High Court, the members have not been so equated in their pay and other condition of service, and that a distinctive was made in the condition of service, particularly the pay and age of the superannuation between the chairman and the members, which was arbitrary, as a result of which the member should also be given the same pay as that of the vice chairman, and their age of superannuation should also be the same, that is 65 years, as that of the vice chairman. On interpretation of Article 323A of the Constitution, this court took the view that administrative tribunal constituted thereunder are distinct from the High Court and dismissed the writ petition. The Administrative Tribunal Act 1985 came to be amended by the Administrative Tribunal Act 2006. By the said amendment, the post of vice chairman in the Administrative Tribunal is abolished. A new provision, that is Section 62, is introduced which modifies the qualification for such as murder was not believable, and by the physical appearance respondent number 1 looked to be over 18 years of age. The High Court will be applicable only to the members appointed after February 19, 2007. The newly inserted Section 10A restricts the total term of the member of administrative tribunal to 10 years, though by the said amendment the age of superannuation for a member is raised from 62 to 65 years. Further, Section 10A postulates consideration of a case of a member of reappointment by selection committee after February 19, 2007. Section 12 of the Administrative Tribunal Act 1985 is amended, and power is conferred on the appropriate government to designate a vice chairman for the purpose of performing certain duties and function of the chairman. The case of the petitioner is that the post of vice chairman was in existence in the administrative tribunal since its inception, which enable the judges of various high court to opt for Central Administrative Tribunal and provided an opportunity in the nature of promotion to be the member of Administrative Tribunal to the post of Vice Chairman. According to the petitioner, the abolition of the said post now would create an enormous situation in the structure as well as administration of the tribunal. If any High Court judge is to be appointed only as member card, and therefore the abolition of the post of vice chairman is unconstitutional. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno.